explaining the first some questions.
Okay, but you can record this session, and you can upload it on YouTube too.
Okay, I'm doing it now. Okay.
Okay.
So after finding x, guys, after finding x, I have to find the measure of the angles using substitution as we did. So in here, I'm going to tell him that angle DEF will be equal to 9 multiply 10 plus 1, which is 91 degree. So we find the first angle, and then for the second angle, it's going to be angle FEG equal to 8
multiplied by 10.
Yes,
Plus-
plus 9.
It will be 89.
It's going to be 89. Okay, so those angles are not equal. Those angles are 180 degrees. Okay. Anyone have any problem in this question?
No.
Done?
No.
Okay, let's go to the second question. Question 3 was all done in the video, in the morning video. So you can go to it and see the answers. It was already all done, A and B. But if you have a problem, if you didn't see it, if you didn't understand it, you can ask. Anyone had a problem in it?
No.
Okay, let's think about question 4. Let's do question 4A and B. Find the measures of the angle described. This was in your homework of lesson 19.1, and I found that some of you faced some problems. I don't know why, but we will do it together. Okay, he is giving you a certain statement, girls, and you are required to find the measure of an angle. When he tells you the measure of an angle, is the measure of an angle known or it's unknown? It's unknown, right? So we can say that the measure of an angle, which is unknown for me, I will name it x, for example. I don't know it, so I will name it x. And then you are trying to form an equation here. You remember when he used to give me a statement and I convert it into an equation? And you remember, for example, the word is means what? The word is what?
Equal.
Equal, exactly. So the measure of an angle means equal. 3 times means what?
3 multiplied by 3?
Yes, exactly. No. 3. Yes, 3 multiply. Yes, 3 times 3 multiply. So 3 multiply, and multiply means as if you are putting a certain bracket. Yes, and then let's read what is the inside the bracket. 3 times the measure of its supplement. What is the supplement of an angle?
180?
No, not 180. Girls, I
supplementary.
Look here. I will write it for you.
I'm confusing for supplementary and the supplement, like this. I don't know.
Just wait there. I wrote this in the morning. If you didn't take it, just write it as a note again. Supplement of any angle. Supplement of angle x is always equal to 180 minus x. Complement of an angle x is equal to 90 minus x. You will find this in today's video, but anyway, I wrote it again. Supplement of an angle is 180 minus x. Complement of an angle is 90 minus x. Understood?
So now, like, 3 times 180 minus x.
Yes, exactly, Reem. Very good. So here, if we wrote this again, I'm going to tell him this is x, and then this is equal, and then 3, and then bracket, and then the measure of, yes, the measure of its supplement means 180 minus x. Yes, exactly. Very good. And then close the bracket, and you have an equation. I have to do a solving. Well, let's solve it together. I will be having x equal to 3 180 minus x. Tell me, what should I do? What is the first step I should do? Whenever I have a bracket, what should I do with the bracket?
Solve it first.
Open the bracket.
Open the bracket. Yalla, let's open the bracket. So x is going to be, if you multiply 3 with 180, this will give you a 540 minus 3x. And then what should I do? What should I do to complete? I will do what to the 3x? Shift it. Yes, shift it to the other side. Exactly. So it's going to be x plus 3x, which means 4x.
4x.
Equal to 540. And then what is the last step to find the answer? What should I do with the 4 in here?
Division.
Yes,
Division.
divide. Exactly, very good. I will divide by 4 here and there. I will find that x is, do you have calculators, please? Just tell me, what will be x? 540 divided by 4 is?
135.
135. Who are you, Jude?
Layla.
Layla, thank you, ya Layla, very much. Yes, it's going to be 135 degrees. So we found x. Can you try to do the same thing in question B? Yalla, I'm waiting for question B. Put an equation for yourself and then solve the equation.
Teacher, I sent you the answer for question B.
Yes, I just saw it now. I will see the answer and tell you. Okay, you can complete, yes, Salma. Go to question 5, do A and B.
I did them.
You did them, mashallah. Okay, just wait for the answers.
Okay.
I'm done.
Who are done?
Reem. Ahmed.
Okay. Okay, if you are done, send me the answer in here. Privately.
Yes.
Yes.
Can you explain A again?
Who are you?
Basmala.
You weren't here, Basmala, right?
No.
Right. Just close your mic, please. So the measure of an angle is 3 times the measure of its supplement. I formulated an equation. The measure of an angle is unknown, so I named it x. Is means equal. 3 times means 3 multiply something. That's why I open a bracket. And then the measure of its supplement of an angle, Basmala, is 180 minus x. Complement of an angle is 90 minus x. This is like a note, yani you have to know it. So So I have an equation. I have an equation now. The equation is x is equal to 3 multiply 180. X is equal to 3 multiply 180 minus x. And then I opened the bracket. And then I did some shifting, some division, and these things until I found x. Now I'm going to do B. So Salma, I think maybe you have something. Each one of you are sending me different answer. I don't know why. So we have to answer it together and let's see which one of you are correct. Okay. Actually, I don't know the answer. I will do it with you now. Let's do it together.
Okay.
Okay. So the measure of an angle, again, this is unknown, so I will name it x. Increased by 20. What does it mean increased by 20? Increased means what?
20.
Exactly. Increased means plus. 20 means 20. So x plus 20. X increased by 20. Is means what?
Equal.
Equal
Equal.
to the measure of its complement. What does it measure of its complement? Complement means what?
90 minus x.
So here it's a 90 minus x. And you have your equation. Let's solve the equation. Did you all get this equation right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So let's solve it and see which is the correct answer. So I have now x plus 20 is equal to 90 minus x. How can I solve this equation? What should I do?
15.
Combine like that.
X
Yes, combine like terms by shifting, exactly. So I'm going to shift x to the other side and shift 20 here. So it's going to be like x plus x equal to 90 minus 20. And then, as you said, Yarim, x plus x is actually what?
2x.
2x equal 90 minus 20 is what? 70. And then what should I do with the 2 in here? Divide. Yes, exactly. Divide by 2, divide by 2. You will find x to be 35.
Oh, okay.
So whoever sent 35, you are correct.
Teacher,
Yes.
Tiffany attended with us the session, but her screen was lagging. That's why she left.
Okay, Tiffany, okay. But she can log again, maybe.
She did, but it was still lagging, and she cannot see or hear anybody.
Okay, it's okay. Just let her answer everything and send me a picture.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Anyone have any problem in question A and B, or this type of question in which you form an equation and then solve it? You understand it now?
Okay.
Okay. Because I think you will find it a lot of times in the online examples. So let's clear, and then let's go to question 5, the last question in this sheet. Try to think, yes, try to think about question A and B.
Fine.
You have this, and he is telling you that measure angle AFB is equal to measure angle EFD equal to 25. So I know that this is 25 and this is 25. You are required to find measure angle CFD, and here measure angle AFE.
Teacher, I sent you the answers, but I'm not sure.
I will see. I think you have to just let me see. Rethink again, Salma.
Miss, wait a minute. Look, just
what's happening? Who is fighting with the laptop?
me.
Yes, Amani, proceed. Very good.
Wait a minute. Okay. Miss, I found B.
If you find B, dear, just send the answer. And I want you to solve A and B, even if A, I don't know if you also saw the video or no, so we are going to do A and B. Okay, so let's do question A. In question A, you were required to find CFD. So who have an idea about how can I find CFD? Yes, Amani.
Okay, so angle EFD is found, it's 25 degrees.
Yes.
So then 25 plus x equals 180.
And what is your x? This angle, right? Yes. So so this is 25, and you named this x. And you are saying they are 180 degree. Why? Because they form a what?
They form a straight line.
They form a straight line. They are linear pair. Exactly. Very good. So you are going to write, what did you write?
25 plus x equals 180.
Yes, 25 plus x is equal to 180. And then,
And then you shift 25, x
yes,
equals 155.
yes, exactly. Amani, very good. So 180 minus 25 is going to be 155. Exactly. Very good. So what did Amani do? Amani said, this angle is 25. This is given already. And this is my unknown. This is x. And these two lines together, or these two angles form what? They form a straight line. So they are going to be a linear pair. So if I add them, they will give me a 180. And then did some shifting and found x. Very good. What about B? What about B?
Miss, can I answer?
Amira was the first one to raise her hand.
Okay.
Let her do it. Yes, Amira.
Okay, so first what we need to do is that we have to, we know that AFB is equal to 25, it's given.
Yes, you know that this angle up here is 25. Yes, very good. And then?
EFB and BFC are vertical angles, so they have the same angle, which is 25 too.
This is here is 25 too. Okay. And then?
Okay, then angle BFC plus angle AFB is,
Yes.
and oh my goodness, okay. So angle BFC plus angle AFB plus
Yes.
angle AFE equals 180 degrees.
Yes, exactly, Amira. Very, very good. Excellent.
25 plus 25 plus x, which equals to 180.
Yes, yes, exactly. Excellent. So what did Amira do? But you didn't need to do the vertically opposite angle, but it's okay. Amira told herself this is 25. And since this is 25, so using vertically opposite angle, the angle up here is also 25. This 25 and this 25 with the unknown angle form a line. They are all linear pair. So adding all this together will give you a 180 degree. So you will form an equation and you will find this angle. Even without the vertically opposite angle already. Yes, Selma, you found these answers and I told you no, right? Maybe
Teacher, I can't hear you well.
you can't hear me well. Why?
Hear you either.
My internet connection is unstable a little bit, but it will get better, inshallah. I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Okay, we can hear you now.
You can hear me now? Yes, it's stable again. So again, guys, Amira was saying this angle is vertically opposite angle, so this is 25. 25 plus 25 plus x is 180 because this is a straight line. Even without the vertically opposite angle, already from here, this plus this plus this is a straight line. So adding these together will give you a 180 degree. So if we name the unknown angle x, I will write that 25, which is this one, as Amira said, plus 25, which is this angle, plus the x should be 180 degree because they form a straight line. All of them are linear. So 25 plus 25 is a 50. And then shifting 50 to the other side in here, you will find that x is actually going to be 130 degree. And that's it. You found x.
Sure, but that's what I sent you.
Yeah, I did something. I don't know why I mistaken them. Yes, you are right. You were right.
Oh, never mind. I sent you 139, not 130, but I meant it 130.
Yes, 130. It's correct. Yes, 130. So guys, anyone have any problem in this lesson? Even in the homework, we still have 5 minutes.
Miss, will you be posting more online stuff?
Online what? Online like online assignments?
No, I meant like pre-test, like prior to the actual exam.
Well, the school didn't instruct us to do this till now. So I can do this by myself. If they ask, I will do. Okay. Yes. Any other questions?
Miss, we have homeworks.
Who are you, dear Mashal?
No, me, Basmala.
Basmala. No, but Basmala, your homework is only just trying to answer these. Even if you don't have a printer, answer it in a piece of paper and send me a picture of your answers, just to make sure that you have all the correct answers. And for all of the work, for all of the worksheets, Guy, that I sent you, if you don't have a printer, it's not a problem. Do not print it. Just in a piece of paper, in any piece of paper, just write me the answers. Question 1A, question 1B, and so on. And that will be enough for me. Yes, any other questions?
Yes, me.
Jude? Yes, Jude.
Yes. So teacher, these papers that you're يعني مكتوب عليها revision زي 16.3 هي اللي جاية في الاختبار؟ يعني lessons هذولي؟
Dear, هي مش يعني this is not the things coming in the exam. لا, this is
لا مو قصدي الورقة، قصدي اللسن يعني 16.3 هو اللسن جاي في الاختبار.
Yes, exactly, yes. I removed module 17
مو
and
الورقة
18.
قصدي.
Yes. I removed module 17 and 18. يعني only module 15 اللي هو lesson 15.1.2, 16.1 and 0.3, and then all 19 and the 2 of 20 that we took, 20.2 and 20.3. والله I chose the easiest lesson.
بس miss you will put them in class dojo عشان نطبعهم صح؟ عشان يعني نسوي عليهم revision.
No, this is what I'm doing. Each day I post the revision sheet.
Okay. Teacher, do you know when is the exam?
No, wallahi, we still don't know anything. I'm sorry, wallahi. Whenever we will know, we will tell you as teachers, and the school will post on Class Dojo. Don't worry.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Okay, girls, I was very happy to hearing from all of you, and happy Ramadan to all of you.
Thank you very much.
كل عام
And
وانتم
please-
بخير.
وانتم بخير حبيبتي. I know that you will be fasting, but please do not show up to the Zoom sessions next week, please. Okay?
What do you mean, teacher?
I mean, maybe you will be fasting, so you will be lazy not to come to the Zoom. لا, please come to the lesson. This is what I mean.
Oh, yeah,
لا
okay.
أنا مس اعتمدي عليه.
Yeah, sure, of course.
مس أنا بجي أي شيء.
ما شاء
لو
الله. I
أني
know.
مو فاضية.
I know ريم والله ما شاء الله. I know.
miss في class dojo ما في إلا 16.1 and 16.3. 16.2
Jude, I will send you. I will
Oh.
send you PDF على WhatsApp. I will send you.
Yeah,
Okay.
Jude, 16.2 is cancelled حبيبتي from the beginning. I didn't give it أصلا.
Okay.
16.2 is cancelled و 16.4 is cancelled.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much, teacher.
Thank you all girls, and see you inshallah next Tuesday.
See you.
See you.
See you.
Bye, Miss.
Bye.
Bye dear, bye. See
Bye.
you all. Bye.
I know.
Bye, miss.
Bye dear. See you all.